A hunter in a forest walks 800 meters west. He then turns south and walks 400 meters before turning west again and walking a final 300 meters. At the end of the walk, what is the magnitude of the hunter's displacement from the beginning? All right, so let's write our starting position. So he first walks 800 meters west, okay? So let's draw that out. We have 800 meters west. He then turns and walks 400 meters south. Okay. South, before turning west again and walking another 300 meters. All right. What is the magnitude of the hunter's displacement from the beginning? Well, the magnitude is going to be the distance from the start right to the finish, right? So we need to basically find what this distance right here is going to be. Now we can actually think of this like a triangle. So we know that he's gone down south a total of 300 meters, right? Or sorry, 400 meters. And then he's traveled west a total of 300 plus 800 meters. All right. So now what we need to do is essentially just find out what our hypotenuse is going to be. And we can use Pythagoras' theorem for that, or some sort of trig ratio, but I'm going to use Pythagoras' theorem. And that is that a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a and b are the two sides and c is the hypotenuse, right? So let's call this bottom part here a. So 300 plus 800, that's going to give us 1100. So we have 1100 squared plus, and then we use the other side, 400 squared, and that's going to give us our c squared, which is our hypotenuse. So 1100 squared plus 400 squared, and that's going to give us 137. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now we need to find the square root of this to find what our hypotenuse is, right? Because this is going to be equal to c squared. So if we take, so c is going to be equal to square root 137. All right, so now we take the root of this, and we will get that our hypotenuse is equal to 1170.47, we'll call it meters. And this hypotenuse, like I say, is going to be equal to our magnitude. And so that is the distance from the start to the finish. All right, so that's all for this one. I hope that helps. Thank you.